Good afternoon, everyone. Brendan from Starpoint Australis. Thanks for joining me again this Tuesday, the week that was. Well, obviously, last week I spent a lot of that time out of town, down south and in regional areas, just on some other business. But this week, what have we been up to? Well, obviously, you would have seen a few bits and pieces if you watch our socials. I finally received in the Australian stock that came through the port of Fremantle and was released on Friday, which was pretty cool. I then hopped straight to it and I thought no time like the present, and delivered out all of the Australian stock. That's including my Eastern States customers as well, so you should almost be receiving your Octans slash Phoenixes actually. So yeah, keep an eye out for those if you have not already. What else have I been up to? We've got the UK stock, I believe, has landed in UK at the moment. We're just going through the customs piece for that. So all of my UK and European people who have been with my distributor from Widescreen, Simon and Elna, yeah, keep an eye out on that. That should be with you guys or starting to move very, very shortly. What else have I been up to? Well, obviously I've been out into the workshop again, doing a little bit of learning, understanding about some of the different connections and fittings. I've still been working on the carbon fiber F4. You can see now that this tape around it is just to protect the carbon fiber tube, but we've got the SP3 is all mounted on there now. It's all ready to go. All I have to do for this is, I believe that there's going to be a paracord. So not this paracord, this is for the 12-inch, but a paracord will slot into this, and if I'm not mistaken, this has got all of the pieces for it. So this clicks in, there we go. I wonder if it's got the bigger one on it. Yeah, so this is not quite the right fitting for this piece. We've got another piece over there for it. So this will house a SP3 and a Paracore 3, which will be pretty insane to see how it goes, and a QHY 268M and mono filter wheels for that one. So yeah, that'll all be sitting there very, very shortly, which is pretty cool. I'm pretty excited to see that one going. I've also got this little bad boy in here. Be careful of that. So that's a 10-inch F4 Quattro. I've fitted the SP3 base plate to this one. That's currently getting some coatings so that it's not silver like this bad boy here. And I've also got, it's out there, I can't fit too many more scopes in here. I'm getting a bit surrounded at the moment. But I've also got the 12-inch F4 Quattro. That's basically, I've just got to make a couple of adapters for that, and then that's ready to be tested. So I've been doing a lot of testing on the hardware side this week, which is in stark contrast for the last 3 or 4 weeks where I've been out of the workshop. I love that place, I really do. It allows me to just get creative, and that's what I love to do. Other than that, look, it's coming into Christmas at the moment, so not much is going on. Everything's winding up. Jess and myself and Dan, we're all looking forward to just having some much needed time off. But other than that, it's all business as usual over here at Starpoint. Well, I'm going to leave you with that thought, and hopefully this weekend we get out super quick. Hopefully we get out to do some astronomy so I can take some final pieces of the Octan slash Phoenix tent setup deconstruction, I should say deconstruction, and I want to do a couple of the little pieces with regards to the features. So I wasn't able to capture it in the last ones. We had some minor technical difficulties, but you get that. And then I'll be able to put them through and release it out to the crowd, hopefully this weekend, pending that the rain gods don't see fit to thwart us. But like I said, till then, hopefully you've got clear skies and you can do some astronomy of whatever flavour you love to do, wherever you may be. Till then, Brendan gone. Bye.